guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melissa and I am a makeup artist. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a very dramatic and glam makeup look. So I really hope that you like this video. Today I'm using a new palette. It's a new palette for me because I just bought my palette and I really like it. I want to show you. This is the new by Decay and this is the Naked Reloaded palette. I really love the fabric. I really love the packaging. It's very luxury and so beautiful. Look at these colors, baby. Lightweight. It's very good to travel with because you have everything you need in just one palette. They are stunning. I love all the colors, especially the Angel Fire. This is stunning. I absolutely love this color and I'm gonna use it today. I cannot wait to jump into this color because it's very beautiful. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and also like this video if you find it helpful. So now, let's begin. To begin this makeup tutorial, today I'm gonna use the eyeshadow base Ignite by Sigma Beauty and I'm gonna apply all over the lid, a little bit in the tear duct area as well, and then I'm gonna just spread it out with my clean finger. Next, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow called Blur from the palette, and it's this beautiful medium shade. I really love this brown eyeshadow to be my transition shade, so I'm gonna place it in my crease and blend in circular motions. Next, with a normal shader brush, I'm gonna apply the shade called Bright in the brow bone just to highlight a little bit. And also a little bit of the shadow, what is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the tear duct area just to highlight. And now, using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply the color called Retro just right on top of the previous shade that I applied in my crease because I want just a little bit of this color in this makeup look. So I'm gonna mix these two colors together to get the effect that I want. And now is my favorite part. I'm gonna apply the color Angel Fire in my inner corner just to highlight a little bit. And to apply this color, I'm gonna use a normal shader brush. By side of the color Angel Fire, I'm gonna apply Reputation with the same brush. And the next step is to do my eyeliner, so I'm gonna do a cat eye today, and for it I'm gonna use the shade Wicked by Sigma Beauty. I love this gel liner so much because it's waterproof and also lasts longer a lot and is very pigmented. So I'm gonna apply this gel liner in my eyelid using a small angled brush, and this is E06 also by Sigma. I really love this brush. So I'm gonna do my cat eye effect in these eyes, and then I'm gonna use the same gel liner in the lower lash line. Still in the lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the shade Endgame just to blend the gel liner that I just applied. To conclude the eyes, the next step is to apply fake lashes. Mascara, I'm using this beautiful fake lashes by Louise, which I am in love. And then I'm gonna just sculpt my face using the Sculpt palette by Sigma Beauty and my favorite brush. This is the Spotlight Duster brush. So I'm gonna just apply this product everywhere. I want to contour a little bit, and with the blush palette I'm gonna use the pink shade in the apples of my cheeks. To highlight the highest points of my face, I'm gonna use the Luminizer highlighter by The Balm, and to apply this highlighter, I'm gonna use a Fawn strobing brush, and I really love this highlighter, but I'm gonna use just a little bit because I want just a little bit of reflex in my face, and I don't want this boom highlighter. And to finish off this makeup look today, I'm gonna use just a lip gloss in my lips, and this is by Decay Scarlet. And this is how I conclude this makeup look. This makeup look, you can use any lip color that you want. You can go for a nude, a rosy, or just a lip gloss like I did here, or even a red. So it's up to you. I really hope that you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look, and also what you want to see next here in my channel. I will be so happy to know. So take care, and I see you later. Mwah.